In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to join Workspace in ChatGPT 2026 Full Guide. We'll walk through accepting your invite, switching into the right environment, spotting premium features, and understanding how privacy works in an organizational setting. Follow along, and by the end, you'll be confidently working inside your team's workspace. Start with the official email invitation. Open your inbox and find the automated message from OpenAI inviting you to join the workspace, then click the secure Join Workspace link. If you already use ChatGPT with that exact email, choose Log In and authenticate with your usual credentials or single sign-on like Continue with Google. If you've never used that email for ChatGPT, select Sign Up and create your base security profile by following the prompts. You may be asked for a one-time verification code. Check your email or phone, enter the temporary code, and proceed. You can skip any optional profile details for now. The important part is loading into the workspace successfully. Quick tip: make sure you're using the same email that received the invite, and if the link seems stale, request a fresh invite from your admin. Next, confirm you're actually inside the workspace rather than your personal profile. On desktop or web, click your profile picture or name in the bottom left corner to open the account menu. On mobile, tap the menu icon at the top to open navigation. Look for your organization's name badge and select it. When the workspace is active, your personal chats will temporarily hide, and you'll see your team's shared custom GPTs, projects, and data folders. If you don't see the badge, refresh the page or sign out and back in with the invited email. Now check for premium access indicators. In business or enterprise environments, a distinct diamond icon or premium model selector appears at the top of the chat. That confirms your seat is funded by your organization. You'll see options such as instant mode for fast, everyday tasks like translations and quick automations, thinking mode for deeper multi-step reasoning on tricky problems like debugging or long document reviews, and Pro mode for the most demanding analytical runs with heavy data parsing and minimal processing limits. Finally, understand the privacy posture. While you're in the corporate workspace, conversations, code, files, and internal data fall under strict business and enterprise privacy commitments. Your workspace content is excluded from training future public AI models, keeping proprietary information confidential. Remember, owners and admins can audit seat metrics and manage shared organizational directories, so always be mindful of where you're working before sharing sensitive material. And that's it. Accepting a team invite gets you into powerful modes like Thinking and Pro under a secure, centralized data umbrella. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next